Bye.
In the last video, we discussed about social media strategy and competitive analysis.
Today, in this video,
We'll continue and talk about other factors that works as a gold mine in social media marketing.
Section 3, the content blueprint, your pillars of power. With your goals set and your audience understood, we are at a step 3 और यहाँ से असली मैजिक शुरू होता है, creating your content pillars. This is the secret to finally ending that आज क्या पोस्ट करूँ वाली panic. Content pillars are just 3 to 5 main topics that your brand will talk about over and over again. These topics should be directly connected to your business and also be something your audience is actually interested in. Let me give you an example of Arvind Dhaga. Instead of just randomly posting about a t-shirt one day and a kurta next, they created clear pillars like these. Behind the art, simple videos showing how their artisans craft the product, style it up, making short reels on 5 ways to style our scarf. Or from office to party look, sustainable stories, educating people about eco-friendly fashion and their brand's mission, customer spotlight, sharing real customer photos and testimonials that people can relate to. And just like that, content creation एक system बन गया. Every single thing they posted had to fit into one of these pillars. For behind the art, they could make a short video on the block printing process. For style it up, a crucial post with different looks. This framework ensures your content is always valuable, relevant, and shows off your expertise. That's how you build trust and become an authority. इससे content plan करना बहुत आसान हो गया. And speaking of making things easy for you, now is the perfect time to grab that free social media strategy template I mentioned. It has a whole section to help you brainstorm and map you out your own content pillars, just like Arvind Dhaga did. Plus everything else we are talking about today, it's the exact document I use to build my plans, and I know it will bring a lot of clarity to you. You can download it from the link in the description section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel before it. Now, coming to section 4, choosing your channels wisely. Step 4 is all about picking your platform. एक बहुत बड़ी गलती लोग ये करते हैं कि उन्हें लगता है उन्हें हर जगह होना चाहिए. You don't. You need to be where your audience is spending their time and where your content actually makes sense. अगर आप खुद को बहुत ज्यादा प्लेटफॉर्म पर फैला दोगे, you're just going to get burnout and your results will be okayish. The key is to pick 1 or 2 main platforms, उन पर focus करो and get really good at them before you even think about expanding. So how do you choose? Go back to your audience research. Arvind Dhaga knew their audience via was on Instagram. So they focus on Instagram, especially Reels with short form videos. If you're a B2B company trying to reach executives, LinkedIn is where you need to be. If you make longer educational videos, then YouTube is your best friend, just like mine. For 2025, video is still king everywhere, and from short little clips to longer videos. And don't forget about conversational platforms like X or Threads. The goal is to match how people use the platform with your content strategy. It's so much better to create amazing content for 2 platforms than it is to post mediocre stuff on 5. Better है 2 platforms पर जबरदस्त content बनाओ, 5 पर mediocre में. Section 5, the gold mine, smart education and deep engagement. Here, we turn this whole strategy into a gold mine. It's all about how you execute and engage. Consistency is super important, but मैं smart consistency की बात कर रही हूँ. Not just posting because you feel like you have to. This is where you bring your content pillars to life. A big trend for 2025 is experimenting with your creative. Arvind Dhaga started moving away from that super polished, brand safe content. They're starting being more authentic, more entertaining, even a little funny to show their asli personality. Don't be afraid to test new things and push the boundaries. A bit to connect with your audience on a more human level. But the real gold is in building a community, not just collecting an audience. Remember, community banani hai, audience nahi. Social media is a two-way street. You have to engage back. That means you need to reply to your comments, answer your DMs, and start conversation. One really powerful strategy for 2025 is outbound engagement. Arvind Dhaga started going and commenting on posts from other fashion bloggers in accounts where they knew their target audience was hanging out. This puts your brand right in the middle of relevant conversations. And we have to talk about AI. In 2025, using AI is not an option anymore. You have to use it to work smarter. AI tools helped Arvind Dhaga brainstorm ideas, write the first draft of their captions, analyze their data, and even schedule their posts. This frees you up to focus on the big picture strategy. Section 6: measure, optimize, and iterate for ROI. And finally, we have step 6: measure, optimize, and iterate. Your social media is not some document जो आप आज बनाओ और कल भूल जाओ. It's a living, breathing plan that you have to constantly improve based on the data you are seeing. This brings us all the way back to the goals you set in step 1. Now it's time to track your key performance indicators or KPIs. You need to look at the metrics that actually matter for your business goal, like your engagement rate, click-through rate, and conversion rate. Urban Dhaga tracked how many leads did they get from that Instagram campaign, how much revenue did their Instagram shop bring in. Use these analytic tools built into the platform like Instagram Insights, or get a powerful third-party tool to track everything. Pay close attention to what's working, which content pillar is getting shared the most, which video format is sending the most traffic to the website. जो काम कर रहा है उसे और करो, और जो काम नहीं कर रहा है उसे छोड़ दो. Social media is always changing, so your ability to adapt based on real data is what will guarantee your success in the long run and get you a real return on your investment. So here we are at the end of the video, the 6-step framework to change your social media from something that frustrates you into a predictable digital marketing goldmine, just like it did for Urban Dhaga. We started by setting clear goals tied to business. We moved on to deeply understanding the audience and competitors. Then we created a content blueprint with powerful pillars. Choose our platforms wisely, focused on smart execution and deep engagement, and finally committed to measuring and optimizing everything we do. This isn't about finding some secret hack or chasing a viral trend. It's about building a solid, repeatable system that creates value, builds a community, and drives real growth for your business. क्योंकि अगर अर्बन धागा जैसी कंपनी कर सकती है तो आप भी कर सकते हो. The next step is up to you. To help you put all of this into action, make sure you download the free social media template. It will walk you through each of these 6 steps. And do like this video if you found the story inspiring and it gave you the clarity you were looking for. And do subscribe for more strategies to grow your business. And finally, I have a question for you. आपके social media का सबसे बड़ा struggle क्या है? Let me know your issues in the comment section. I read every single one and I would love to help you out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again. Bye bye.